So these days we managed to new different projects in the rural areas. A project where the villagers turn their homes in projects of rural tourism, which improves the income of the villagers and also helps to preserve the environment because they make the tourism to promote the beautiful landscape and the forest, so it looks very well preserved. So, and also we met some other projects like the cleaning of industrial waters, or residual waters. So I think we, together with other foreign journalists, were very impressed or all the measures that the Chongqing is taking. Very beautiful place.